This is the 40-liter Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite. It's a comfortable, maximum-size carry-on for trips of a week or more, and we're going to take a look at why it might be the perfect bag for your next trip. The exterior of the bag is made of a durable nylon material that will last for many trips to come. It has a nice, stretchable water bottle pocket on one side and a handle on the other. Tortuga's bags are known for being super comfortable to carry, and this one is no different. With well-padded straps and back panel, it is a joy to use. Additionally, the straps can also be detached and stowed away when not needed. Up here against your back is a fabric-lined laptop sleeve that holds up to a 16-inch laptop nice and secure. Tortuga's bags open around the middle, so they're easy to pack and unpack, just like a suitcase. On this side is where you'll store most of your clothes. It's a nice, big, deep, open space to fill. On the other side, you have two large mesh zipper pockets. These are actually quite large and deep. You'll be able to pack a lot of items in here as well. This 40-liter bag is going to get you where you're going without getting in the way. I hope this helps. Happy travels.